Spring is here, but it still feels like winter. This is rainwater. When the cold lingers and the rain quietly nourishes the earth. In Ningbo, the mist, the drizzle, and the damp air create a world of soft beauty.
As the rain falls, the artist captures Jiangnan's quiet beauty, blending nature's calm with the season's pulse.
写生它更多的就忠实于我们画面看到的实际，比较柔，这个也是水彩画它水性材料的特点。
您好，买一份红豆粥。
好的。
The red bean porridge helps warm the body and balance our energy during the rainwater season.
As the rain nourishes the earth, the rainwater season invites us to embrace its quiet renewal, bringing balance and vitality through nature's gentle power, while refreshing our own well-being.